You're welcome to Christmas with Mr. Osita. In this video, we'll be talking about the description of a circle. Now, before we move ahead, or before we go further, what do we mean by a circle? A circle is a rounded plane figure. It has a fixed point that is equal distance or equidistant to the circle from any direction. Now, we'll be talking about first the lines of circle. Now we have lines of a circle. Lines of a circle will have a circle line this, and we have the midpoints, that's the center of the circle, which is equidistant to the circle from any direction. Now, first we're going to be talking about the diameter of a circle. Now, when we talk of the diameter of a circle, is a straight line that divides a circle into two equal parts. This is the diameter. Now, the second one is radius. A radius is a line that runs from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference. Alright, now the next line we're going to be talking about is the chord. The chord is a line that touches two sides of the circumference, but is not a line that passes through the center of the circle, but is a line that touches two sides of the circumference. So it's known as what? The chord. Now we have an arc. An arc is the part of a circumference. Alright, these are the lines of a circle. We're going to move over to the area of a circle. Remember we said that a circle is a random plane figure that has a center which is equidistant to the circle from any direction. So now the area of a circle. So we're talking about the areas of a circle. We have the center, which is equidistant to the circle from any direction. Now, when we talk of the area of a circle, we have the first one we're going to be talking about is the quadrant. When we talk of a quadrant is the 1/4 of a circle. That is an area of a circle. Now, the next one we're going to be talking about is the segment of a circle. The segment of a circle is bounded by a chord, an arc of a circle, and the chord. So this is the segment of a circle. The next we're going to be talking about is the sector of a circle. The sector we have. So the sector of a circle is bounded by two radii and an arc. This is the sector of a circle. So it's bounded by two radii and an arc. Now, this one we're going to be talking about is the semicircle. Now, the semicircle is the half of a circle. All of this is a semicircle. Let me give it a different look. So these are the areas of a circle. Now, let's look at these evaluation questions. The evaluation question says, mention 5 lines of a circle. Number 2, list 4 areas of a circle. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and share the video.